No!
Okay, hey guys, what we're going today?
We're making a gingerbread train. And we have instructions here on the back.
We're gonna follow that instruction, okay? Okay, unbox it.
No!
Smash like button, guys. We need to make this. Smash that big like button. So we have to glue it. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Jingle bells.
Jaden!
Oh. I hope we lift it. No. Tito.
Okay,
How about
so,
this? Yeah.
so which one do you want first? Go first, Jaden.
What?
What's
I
the
want
one
to
you
make-
decorate this one? The upstairs?
No. The wheels. I see trying this one. Look that. Germs? No. I'm not gonna eat. Change. Do that. Oh, I taste it. Guys, there's a part of something.
Follow the picture.
I know. Yeah. Hey! I will. Okay, let's help. The blue and yellow are falling. Like this. Just blue. Oh. I can't. Oh my god. But that's. I tasted this. No. Okay. Yes. Falling. Yeah. Yeah.
James, what's next?
I don't want to eat. I don't want to eat that. I just wanted to and I just get out it. Don't eat that. Huh? Yeah, only like that. Huh? I want to see. Oh, on this and I don't. Okay, we're done at our gingerbread train. Did you like gingerbreads? No or yes? What did you think, everyone? Is it good or not? Smash like button, guys. Okay.